And now, News 13 weather with meteorologist Justin Roth.
And you see up the roller coaster, right? And we're going right back down on your Thursday, but we're going to enjoy the warmer temperatures while we got them. Now, as we look at that garbage can wind meter, all the way up to the top, we're missing tomorrow. Now, as we take a look at some of the velocity scans, this is a good indication of rotation in the storm. It shows me wind going into the storm and going out. When those green and red are touching each other, that's not a good sign. Dry conditions outside right now, and therefore we have red flag warnings for really most of the state.
I've been only standing out here for about 5 minutes, and I got plenty to cover me right now. So the big deal here is just the black ice layer tonight and the cold temperatures plus blowing snow with visibility down to a quarter of a mile.
Cannot stress enough how dangerous of a situation is going on right now. If you are under tornado warning, if you hear those sirens, you got to get inside. You got to get underground. Of Cody, but besides that, just rest of it is just light rain showers moving their way across the state. So I want to update you on the wildfire still burning down in Albany County. I don't know what your guys' reactions were in the studio or all of our viewers watching, but mine went like something like this, where I just was like dancing everywhere. So like it was fantastic. But I will have so much more on what happened here at Casper College with all the scientists. Really sunny skies, but you're absolutely right. It is barely cold outside. So we are going to deal with those cold temperatures for overnight tonight and into your Sunday as well. But we also have a lot of road closures. We have flooding concerns. We have wind. We have more snow coming our way in other places of the state. I'll cover all that plus more coming up right after the break. Stay with us. We do have some showers beginning to develop on the western half of the state, really in the higher elevations just to the south of Pinedale, moving their way into the Wind River Range. More than likely will dissipate in the mountains with that rain shadow across the Wind River Range. It's hard to believe this little creek right here was the result of the Lusk flooding 2 years ago. The water, if we were standing right here, would have been nearly 8 feet above my head. Accumulation wise, so we take a look here at one of these computer model solutions here, and we talk about lower elevations. We're only looking at a dusting. Most of the snow showers are going to stay in the south and in the western portions of the state. So as we look at your overnight temperatures, a little bit cold outside, single digits for everyone across parts of this. Now we also have tornado warnings for portions of Natrona County. This one just got issued for portions of Natrona County and Johnson County. This one's moving to the north for the most part, so we hope that it is going to stay away from the city of Casey, but it is moving its way to the north. Just to the east, we have severe thunderstorm watches or warnings in effect. Anywhere where there is a warning has a potential for a tornado, so keep that aware. You need to remember to go to your safe spot in your house. That's either the basement or an interior room of your home. Usually the bathroom is a safer spot.
We got a little bit of everything today, so what are we looking at tonight?
It's hard to believe the high temperature today was 45 degrees. Look at these current temperatures. 11 here in Casper, 3 in Buffalo, 20 degrees in Riverton. Now, of course, it feels colder than that outside. It feels like it is 12 below in Gillette, 7 below in Sheridan, 0 over in Cody, 13 in Riverton. Satellite and radar showing mostly cloudy conditions. We do have a couple small pockets of snow showers still kind of meandering their way across the state. Those slowly dissipate into the evening hours. Now, high wind watches are in effect for the southeast, Albany, Carbon, Laramie, and Platte County until 6 a.m. for your Friday. These will more than likely turn into warnings tomorrow. And then winter weather advisories in effect for the western mountains. They're in effect until Friday at 5 p.m. This is anticipation of another snow system moving in for our Thursday into our Friday, but it's going to affect the western mountains for your Thursday. Friday, it's going to start affecting lower elevations. Now, of course, we did get some snow today, so we're going to go ahead and check in with meteorologist Keith Bradberg, who's out live in Casper. Keith, how are those roads looking? Welcome back, everyone. Current wind speeds across the state, well, depending on where you are, it's a little bit breezy. On the eastern half of the state, they got that strong northerly wind there. 41 miles per hour in Lusk is the current wind speed. Over in the south and west, they have more of a westerly flow, but 25 miles per hour in Rock Springs. Fairly calm across central Wyoming. Overnight lows tonight, those will get a little bit on the chilly side. Teens and single digits across much of the state, even some locations dropping below 0. And here in Casper, we're going to call it about 6 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Still have a chance of seeing some scattered snow showers across portions of the state. A trace to 1 inch when we're all said and done tonight. We do still have that north wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour, gusts up to 20 as we take a look at Futurecast. So the cold front's already tailed its way out of here. Mostly sunny skies for your Wednesday, but if you remember earlier, we talked about the winter weather advisories out west. Well, here it is. The snow showers across the western elevations are going to begin around the 10 a.m. hour. They're going to continue all day tomorrow. They get a little bit of energy from this stationary front that will begin to develop across the state of Wyoming, along with this low pressure center will inch its way closer throughout the day on Thursday and then into Friday. So as we look ahead towards your Friday, we're looking at some scattered snow showers expected across portions of the state, kind of off and on throughout the day. And this is by no means an everyone gets snow shower event. It's just going to be very scattered as we kind of have this stationary front just kind of hanging out around Wyoming. It's going to create a little bit of energy throughout the daytime hours. But besides that, we're looking at some nice conditions. Now, not so nice is out west with all the snow showers that are expected. Now, this is on top of the snow that you already received over the past 24 hours. 6 to 12 inches for the Tetons, 4 to 8 for the Wind River Range, 4 to 9 inches of snow for Park County and areas of the Yellowstone, 4 to 8 inches down there by Lincoln and Sublette counties. So as we take a look at your Thursday's forecast highs, 33 in Glen Rock, 28 in Wright, 32 degrees for Alcova. Temperatures where you live in southeast Wyoming, 36 degrees for Cheyenne, 34 in Glendo. Over in the southwest, we're looking at 31 for Kimmer, 32 degrees for Jeffrey City, and 34 for Rock Springs. Over in the northwest, 30 degrees for DuBois, 28 for Thermopolis, 25 degrees for Worland. Here's your breakdown forecast. 12 to 29 to 30, fairly cold start, but mostly sunny skies throughout the entire day. A little bit breezy at times. Southwest winds will be sustained 20 to 25 miles per hour, gusts up to 30. Mostly sunny skies and fairly seasonable for this time of year. Garbage can wind meter for your Thursday. We're going to be right around the neighbor's yard. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour puts us at level number 3. As we look at the 7-day forecast, well, we're going to keep that 30s going for the entire 7-day forecast. 30 degrees for Thursday and Friday. Once again, those slight chance of seeing some snow showers for your Friday, then 35 for your Saturday, mostly sunny skies, and then another chance to see snow showers Sunday night into Monday. Riverton and Fremont County, 26 degrees for your Thursday with mostly sunny skies, then 33 for your Friday with a chance for some afternoon snow showers moving in there Friday night into Saturday, and then over to Sheridan and Sheridan County, 23 degrees for a high on your Thursday with partly sunny skies, then 21 on Friday, 19 on Saturday. A little bit better shot of seeing some snow showers up in the northern half of the state, both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.